want to feel Corbett, you have to be here. If you're not in Corbett, you cannot feel it.
I always read about Jim Corbett, about the person, and it so happened that I just wanted to visit Jim Corbett, and Vishaka did the plans as usual, and that's how I'm here today.
Been following up with Shashank on his Instagram page. I saw his knowledge about the birds, the animals, the strategies to follow tigers, and that's what I liked, and that's where I got in touch with Shashank to get into this Corbett National Park.
I found it slightly different, as you pointed out. Deciduous and evergreen, pretty tall trees, almost sky high, and the sun beautifully filters through certain areas and just leaves the rest of it pretty much lack of sunlight.
Jim Corbett is a very different, very beautiful landscape, I would say. The jungle itself is so beautiful and so natural. I mean, the river bed, the eye banks is very, very different. I can compare. I cannot say like the other tiger reserves are bad, but this is extremely, extremely beautiful. And I must say, like, everybody should visit the Jim Corbett once in their lifetime.
One attraction was the tiger of the skies, the hornbill. So many of them. It's like, they just keep flying all over, and it's so exciting to see them, the colors and all the kind of sounds they make. It's so exciting, and you'll be surprised to see that they can actually be so beautiful in nature. The deers, they're in their own habitat, and you just see them in their own home. They just keep walking around. So cute of them.
So elephants, amazing experience. Honestly speaking, like, I got to see like two different sort of elephants. One was with the family and one was all alone. But it was an amazing experience. I can't express that in words, but it was an amazing feeling.
Basically, what I will say is, like, save the best for the last. And today, when we were just sitting or parking the car, the ranger car in a place, waiting for the tiger, come on, show up somewhere. We are just literally praying to the tiger goddess, you would say, like, please come on, aa jao yaar. Those kind of feeling. And then this fellow comes in. Okay, tigress. My goodness, the magnificent animal. It's so magnificent, and it's the eye-catching, and it was like, so exciting to see him. It's so not even exciting, it's like goosebumps. You get to know, oh my God, you have a tiger in front of you. It's like that kind of a feeling.
So obviously the quest is always for the big one. Yes, after we came back from the 3 consecutive safaris and we hadn't spotted anything, we kept strategizing. Okay, what should we do differently? And I think what we did differently today, evening safari, was we persevered and we patiently waited it out. My heart stopped when I saw her walking towards the jeep. Oh my God, she was majestic.
The resort was so fantastic. We got very good, neat and clean rooms. The view was so good.
resort is also amazing. The food is amazing. Don't miss the food here. The hospitality in the food is great. Everybody knows Bhagavad Gita. The Saradi is the Krishna, okay, and he was driving Arjuna, and he was giving the Gyan. The same way we had two Saradis in our trip. One is Aslam, another one is Preeti. Amazing people, patient. They were the best Saradis, I would say.
What I liked about Preeti is that she also prefers the watch and wait game. She reads between the lines. Her passion, Shashank's constant perseverance, Aslam's force, and our wait or our desperation, culminated into the majestic sight.
So to say, Shashank is fantastic. I have been saying, I've been following him for the last 6 to 7 months. Every single bit of it, he is so into it, I mean, he's great. I would say you must visit for your next expedition with Shashank.
This guy can actually do it. Yes, he did it. From Delhi to Solitaire and Corbett, to all the safaris, he's taken care of me very well.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.